Are your new boots working good? Okay. Off to go fishing.
You're not pulling off.
Good. Lots of things. This way, this way. Found a trail? Over it, nice. I was thinking you could either go over or under, and you picked the over.
How did you get it over here?
I stepped across. I'm gonna need to come help you though.
I got it.
Let me take this now. Stand up. You stand up. Whoa, dude. You're brave. Good job. Oh, we got a couple boats out there, canoe.
Look, I can make it.
Yeah, you can.
Earlier I said, I don't, you and me don't need our house.
Almost made it to the big rock. Yeah, you're in a tough spot here. Grab your hand. Good.
Good thing I have combo boots.
Good thing. Yay! Oh, good job. Oh, there's the sharp knife. Yay! You put it in the box for me. Oh, because you put it in my box. I got you. Good job, Noah.
This is
Both of our boxes.
mine.
That one's yours? Oh, okay. How many we got?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. We got a lot of bait to use. Drop them down, let them thaw out.
Now do this. I just saw something like it. Oh, that is the
It'll be easier if you reel it in. If you reel the bobber all the way up to the top, it'll be easier to cast, okay? For next time. Keep reeling it, let the bobber get to the top. Okay, now try casting. Should be easier to do it that way. That was pretty good. Yay, Noah! Nice! You caught one!
Hey, I'm gonna keep it.
You do? Wow, good job, bud. All by yourself.
I'm gonna keep it, okay? Can we keep it?
Yeah. That's your first fish you caught by yourself? You casted it, caught it, everything.
Not alive because we caught it. It was little bit.
Put some water in there.
Or water. Oh no.
Are you stuck? Oh, we're gonna be stuck.
Hold on.
Keep reeling.
Whoa. Whoa.
You do got something, I think. Keep reeling. Oh. Jumped off the hook. That's a little bit big. Here, let me cut a piece for you. You want to do the head? Here, I'll just cut off this so you can do the head. Maybe hook it through its mouth or something.
I got another. I got it on.
You got a hook good?
Huh? No. I need help. Need help. Need help. Need help. Put this through me.
Oh, it's coming off. Here, let me.
Why is there blood on you?
From the fish.
Wipe it off on your shorts.
Okay. There you go. I'll wipe it off in the water.
Lucky.
Topped it off. Oh no, what did you have on line?
Yeah.
Noah had a big eel hooked, and I have a trigger fish.
No, that's a hunu.
Hunu trigger fish. Yeah, hunu.
No.
Should we keep it? Pick it up?
It's big.
It's a beautiful fish.
Why are eels here too?
No. All right. Okay, this is a trigger fish species right here. It's a beautiful fish, huh?
I love you. Fish and hunu and the trigger. I caught that already. See that? I think Alice is gonna order it.
Order it. Do you think they'll be proud of you?
I'm proud of you.
Yeah. Okay, bye fishing spot. That was
Bye.
a good spot to us. Served us well.
How are you gonna get across here now?
Let's go around this time. I mean, I could go across and then just help you across again. I did it right over here. Oh.
Oh, I know how to do that spot. Let me just know how.
There we go. Let me put my stuff down and help you.
No, I got it.
You probably could do it, but I just want to make sure you don't fall. If you fall, you could hurt yourself. Here, let me come down here. Okay. You could try to climb down if you want, and then climb up.
I know how. Look,
Nice.
I made it.
Dude, you didn't even need my help. Now you gotta climb up. You're a pro with this volcanic rock, huh? A lot of good grabs and holds. Nice, Noah. Great job. You didn't need any of my help, you were right.
Whoa.
Okay, this part's steep, so just watch your step.
I can just go right through this track too and just get out the track.
Noah's been walking on lava rock since he's been born. Most of the time barefoot. He could walk on this stuff barefoot, no problem, to be honest. His feet are very well broken in by the sand and lava rock. All right, following the trail.
Now I'm going to show you the opposite.
What are you gonna do, up or over or under?
These are doors.
Thorns. Over. Beautiful work. I'm gonna go over too. Over. Yep. Long legs, huh? Step right over.
There's like a beach now. The more lava rock, but there's still lava rock.
This beach right here is called Dog Beach. It's where if people have dogs, they usually take their dogs here. It's a nice little cove next to the harbor. See?
Only
There's a
one.
dog.
And there's a guy. Lana.
It's like 8 in the morning right now, so there's really nobody out here. Should we dip in the water real quick before we get in the car?
No.
That'd be nice. I got a towel in the car and I got to change the shorts. We can just get in real quick.
No.
No, you don't want to? Okay.
You're impressive than me too. I almost caught a big eel
Yeah.
too.
You had a really big eel on your hook. Yeah, at the same time I caught a triggerfish. No, I had an eel hooked. I was like, please don't reel that all the way in. I do not want to mess with that thing, but it bit the line off. I wish I would have got it on camera. But the one downside of sand everywhere is it gets in everything. It's in your boot. I can just take it off real quick and shake it out.
Okay.
Yep, get them rocks out. Okay. You want to sit down on the cooler and then we can put your boot back on?
So it,
That way we can dust off the bottom of your foot. Okay. Okay. You can walk the rest of the way? At least most of the way? The fishing spot's not the easiest to get to. We gotta walk on a lot of lava rock, sand, up and down some big lava fissures, some crevices.
I ran out oil.
Ran out of oil? You need up? Okay. All right, Noah's out of oil, out of gas. That's what he says when he wants up. And I got my hands full, but it was a great day fishing with you, Noah. Let's get out of here, let's go get some McDonald's.